Hi everyone. Harley-Davidson's Custom Vehicle Operations or CVO lineup for 2022 has been confirmed. For 2022, a new CVO Road Glide Limited replaces the CVO Limited, with CVO Street and CVO Road Glides returning, along with the CVO Tri Glide. Each CVO gets a burly Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain, HD's biggest and most powerful motor. Exclusive and handcrafted paint and designs are executed to a level of intricate quality that is unmatched in the motorcycle and automotive categories, to represent the pinnacle of style and design. Prices range from $41,899 for the CVO Street Glide to $49,999 for the CVO Tri Glide. Advanced technology, exclusive components and obsessive attention to detail distinguish four new 2022 motorcycle models from Harley-Davidson Custom Vehicle Operations. Limited production, super premium CVO motorcycles represent the pinnacle of forward-looking style, design and craftsmanship from Harley-Davidson, the world's most desirable motorcycle brand. CVO models for 2022 include the CVO Road Glide Limited, the CVO Street Glide, the CVO Road Glide and the CVO Tri Glide. Each model offers exclusive paint colors and designs executed to a level of intricate quality and handcrafted detail that is unmatched in the motorcycle and automotive categories. Gunslinger is our partner in custom paint that's been adding incredible artisanal techniques to our CVO arsenal and family for a long time now, and they're inspiring us to push the limits, so we try to do the same thing with them, said Brad Richards, Harley-Davidson Vice President of Design. When most manufacturers are at the limits of the robot, Gunslinger can go in there with an artist who has the ability to brush by hand and deliver the sharpest pinstripe possible. That hand-applied technique allows for very intricate 2 tones, 3 tones, airbrush drop shadows, and really transcends the expected by delivering a truly custom look. Each CVO model is also equipped with Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, plus the complete technology suite of cornering rider safety enhancements and the advanced boom box GTS infotainment system equipped with high-performance Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate. The Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine in each CVO model delivers the most factory-installed torque and displacement available in a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. 117 cubic inches displacement. 126 feet-pounds of torque at 3,750 RPM, CVO Road Glide, CVO Street Glide. 125 feet-pounds of torque at 3,500 RPM, CVO Road Glide Limited, CVO Tri Glide. High-performance camshaft is matched to displacement and airflow to maximize performance. High-performance intake flows more air into the engine to boost performance and gives the motorcycle added hot rod presence. High-performance exhaust is tuned to maximize engine performance while maintaining 50-state regulatory compliance and producing a stirring tone. CVO Street Glide. A super premium hot rod bagger for the rider who rolls loud and proud. The classic silhouette of the Batwing fairing topped with jaw-dropping paint and finish details, premium audio and the pavement-peeling power of the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine make this one outrageous bike. New decorative insert finishes and scorched chrome powertrain covers, with blue steel paint option. Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 for super premium sound. Heated Kahuna Collection hand grips match Kahuna Collection shifter pegs, brake pedal cover, muffler end caps, and rider and passenger pegs. Daymaker adaptive LED headlamp. Fugitive custom wheels with gloss black and contrast chrome, all gloss black, or blue steel and contrast scorched chrome finish, depending on paint option. Low profile console with CVO light. Screamin' Eagle heavy breather intake for improved airflow and bold hot rod style. New paint options. Hightail yellow pearl black hole with lightning silver two-tone and bright chrome finishes. Envious green with black hole fade with flame pattern and gloss black finishes. Blue steel solid color and scorched chrome finishes. CVO Road Glide. For the rider who runs out front and never looks back. The CVO Road Glide model offers menacing style behind its distinctive dual LED headlamps and frame-mounted shark nose fairing, and the unrelenting performance of the Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain. Powerhouse audio, an exclusive 21-inch front wheel, Fabulous custom paint and extraordinary attention to detail complete this very desirable bike. New decorative insert finishes and scorched chrome powertrain covers, with blue steel paint option. Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 for super premium sound. Road Glide fairing features split-stream venting to limit head buffeting. Dual daymaker LED headlamps push out an impressive punch with a bright white beam that lights up the road. All other lighting is LED. Exclusive combo 21-inch front 18-inch rear wheel. Features a cast aluminum rim and lace spokes for a look that is both rugged and very exclusive custom. Enables TPMS, tire pressure monitoring systems, on a laced wheel. This is the only 21-inch front wheel offered on a HD touring model. Suspension is retuned for no compromise in handling and braking performance, adds to custom bagger look and CVO TM model exclusivity. Low-profile console with CVO light. Heated Kahuna collection hand grips match Kahuna shifter pegs, brake pedal cover, muffler end caps, and rider and passenger pegs. Fang front spoiler is dramatic lower bodywork and a custom styling feature. Screamin' Eagle heavy breather intake for improved airflow and bold hot rod style. New paint options. Wicked orange pearl black hole with lightning silver two-tone and bright chrome finishes. Envious green with black hole fade with flame pattern and gloss black finishes. Blue steel solid color and scorched chrome finishes. CVO Road Glide Limited. For the rider who leads, alone or with a partner on board. The CVO Road Glide Limited model is loaded with luxury and long-haul comfort, head-turning style and power that always satisfies. Premium audio, heated seats and grips, and the precise handling of the aerodynamic Road Glide model fixed fairing make this motorcycle the ultimate Harley-Davidson touring machine. New decorative insert finishes. New Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage I for premium sound. Twin-cooled Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain maintains power and performance in the most challenging conditions. Road Glide model fairing features split-stream venting to limit head buffeting. Dual daymaker LED headlamps push out an impressive punch with a bright white beam that lights up the road. All other lighting is LED. Heated seat with dual-zone rider passenger control for added comfort in cool weather. Heated Kahuna collection hand grips match shifter pegs, brake pedal cover, muffler end caps, and rider passenger boards. Tomahawk custom wheels. New paint options. Wicked orange pearl black hole with lightning silver two-tone and bright chrome finishes. Hightail yellow pearl black hole with lightning silver two-tone and bright chrome finishes. Dandy's red with Dandy's black sunglow fade flame pattern and gloss black finishes. CVO Tri Glide. This super premium trike delivers distinctive style, powerful performance and long-haul touring capability plus the added confidence of a third wheel. The CVO Tri Glide is loaded with premium audio, luxurious comfort features and an astounding finish and attention to detail, on a chassis designed from the wheels up as a trike. New Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage I for premium sound. New decorative insert finishes. Twin-cooled Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain maintains power and performance in the most challenging conditions. Tomahawk contrast cut cast aluminum wheels front and rear maintain cohesive styling. Heated Kahuna collection hand grips match shifter pegs, brake pedal cover, muffler end caps, and rider and passenger boards. Heated seat with dual-zone rider passenger control for added comfort in cool weather. All LED lighting, headlamp, fog lamps, tail brake lamps and signals. New paint option. Dandy's red with Dandy's black sunglow fade flame pattern and bright chrome finishes. Harley-Davidson stands for the timeless pursuit of adventure and freedom for the soul. Thanks for watching.